Hello, team. So, expenses. Bulla can also help you record your expenses and the money you send to your suppliers, your employees, wherever. So, you can manage how you're spending out your money through this module called expenses. So, just below the My Shop menu, we have the menu for expenses or payouts. So in here, you can set particular or a lot of payouts, and you can do payouts to your customer and track them also, and also order them by category. So, for example, you want to make a new payout, let's say to a number. That's my number. So if you want to like do a payout onto this, for example, customer, you just have their phone number and then select to show you if the customer exists in the system. So you can see in the system there's a lot of my details. So just in case the customer exists, it will auto populate their details. You can tap it there and then put some description of the thing that you're spending for, and then put the amount that you're spending in Kenya shilling. Then you can continue. You find here you can add your customer name, and then you can add email, but that's is not mandatory. Yeah, the two. And then after that, you will confirm payment. So once you tap on this, now this payment will go. It will create a payment, and then it will ask you to categorize that expenses. So in here, you can have various categories whereby you can basically pick, maybe say electric bill. I'll show you how to create those categories. And then from there, you'll have these expenses created, but the status is pending. So until you approve it, and once you tap on approve, it will send you an OTP, which you need to fill here. So it will send you on your mobile phone as the admin. Then you fill here, you approve. Once you approve, when integrated with your M-Pesa, this payment will directly go from your account. It will send to the customers directly to their phone number, and then complete these status as of these payout. Also, you can manage your beneficiary. That's the customers you're sending to, or the suppliers, or the employees. You can have their details saved here. So you can just add their details in here to make it easier for you to do a payout onto them. Yeah, so that's it for the expenses. One last thing I want us to check on transactions. So in here, transactions record from your expenses. You'll see the available balances, the cash balances, the check balances, based on all the transactions, the credit and debit transactions that you've done. And also you can see them here. And also you can preview to just see what this transaction is all about, the date and stuff, the references, everything about that transaction. So this is the page to view all that transactions. So from there, let me show you how we now set the various payout categories. So you just go to settings in here, and then you tap on the payouts. So here you'll see the payout group. So if I say I want electricity bill here, I can create that payout, which we can use now to set the various items that we're having. So you can see this is ready payout groups, and also you can have the payment categories. You say these are salaries. So this is what we'll be seeing whenever you're creating the expenses, and also you can have the various approvers here. Will be approving your payment. This payment group is where you want to create various customers to do or various suppliers to do a sales on. That's the payment group. Sorry. So after that, once you come on to expenses, now you can select the various categories that you're having for the expense category, and that one now will be picked. It will now help you set various expenses based on their category. That will help us when we come to overview. You'll see your expenses based on this expense analysis. So thank you guys. Meet you in the next tutorial.